what you're going to be watching is to how to build a chicken coop. Remember to subscribe so then you can see it. And then you can see other awesome videos.
Without further ado, let's get started. Welcome back to our channel. Now that you got to see the water and the chicken coop being built, we need to make a way to feed the chickens like once a week or once every other week instead of 2 or 3 times a day. So we're going to show you how to do that. Okay, this is how we do it. We got ourselves 4-inch pipe, long pipe. We'll cut that to length once we know how long we want to make it. The bottom of it will use this elbow, and just think of the chicken sticking their head in or eating it, they would really come out, the corn, the feed. So what we did is I got a 1.5 inch neck down from 3 inch, and there was a little lump right here on the end, so I ground that down so it fits down in there nice. And look how that looks in there. Put a piece of hose in there. What I should have done, and I forgot when I was at the store, get an 1.5 inch piece of pipe and put in here and put a 45 on it, and that helps keep the area. And you can see how it's just like 3/4 of an inch from the bottom to the bottom of the hose, and that slows down the flow. I went ahead and used a piece of radiator hose we had laying around to save time. So go ahead there, Levi, throw some cement on there, cleaner, some cement on there, and we'll do that up. This is a new experiment. I'm not sure if this will work, but we're gonna try it. It's all about trying new things, isn't it? Okay, now go ahead and slop extra. Put some extra glue on there.
Don't wipe it off. Keep it all on.
Put that on there real thick. As thick as you can get it, Levi. As thick as you can get it, and in there.
More.
I'd get some more. Put on there. Because you can't use too much. You got plenty of glue. Okay, here, give me some more of that glue. I'm going to put some glue extra, make sure it's a lot. I'm going to put some extra glue around here because when it dries, it'll dry like plastic. Now, we're going to go ahead. We're going to go ahead and let that dry. We'll set this here off to the side. And next, what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut. I've seen an idea from another gentleman on YouTube, forget his name. He cut a little bit out on top right here. I'm thinking about maybe doing the same thing, that way gives a little bit, but then again I'm not sure.
Because, well, it might keep the feed from not being so hot for one, and 2, getting wet.
Yeah, that's true. So I think we just might put a piece right across the bottom here to hold the feed in. So let's figure out, what are we going to use for that? Okay, I think what we decided to do is cut the end of the pipe off at about a 35 degree. We just cut the end off like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean this up with the purple primer to prep the plastic, and then we're going to kind of glue this right into place. There, like that. And that'll kind of help hold back the chicken feed so it's not wasted so much. I think that'll work perfect right there. Okay, that was it. Push that on there. And take a look what we have here now. Put this lid up here. Like this. And this is where we come up with. What do you think of that? You think that'll work with the chickens?
For feed.
For the feed? Okay, this is where we're gonna put it. Put it on this side here. I just got done cutting that opening for that, and we're gonna put a strap on like this to kind of hold it into place. Now we have it fastened. This is what it looks like. I think what I'm gonna do later is maybe put a metal strap on, but that's just happened to be what I had left. So now Levi, let's go get ready to put some chicken feed in there. I'm gonna take the lid off and okay, go ahead and pour some in there. Let's test this thing out. Huh? Well, it would be nice to be up higher, but chickens are doing okay. They love it.
That's good.
They're having a good time. Okay. The chickens have been using this feeder now for 5 days. And you can see that there is very little, very tiny amount of feed that got spilled out. So this design actually works kind of perfect. Got that neck down on the inside to slow down the amount of feed. And then I went ahead and took a piece of drop and cut this moon-shaped piece out because I got to thinking, man, it's going to rain and I don't want the rain's going to drop right inside here and then it's going to all get wet and gummed up and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I cut that and I'm going to glue that right into place right there like that, and that's going to be the little shelter to protect the rain from getting inside the feed. And then we're going to check it out to see if the chickens can eat very well, but I don't think that's going to discourage them at all. That in there, and that should stay there pretty tight. It won't take long for that to dry, and that'll be a nice little overhang, a little roof over the chicken feeder. All right, as you watch the video, I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. Maybe you apply something to some ideas you might have for a chicken coop. So until the next time, have a wonderful day, and we will see you at the next video.
When your friends go to bed, you go.